Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make responsive grid in Figma. Open a new frame, set columns and gutters, then apply auto layout and constraints to child layers so they resize predictably. Name your components and establish breakpoints for phone, tablet, and desktop sizes. Test by dragging the frame width and adjust padding, alignment, and resizing rules until the layout behaves consistently across sizes with clean spacing and readable content. Create a layout grid and pick columns that suit your design, like 4, 8, or 12 depending on complexity. Define gutter width and outer margins to keep visual balance and consistency. Use the grid to snap components and avoid manual spacing errors. When building components, align them to column lines and test flow by resizing the frame so your columns guide responsive behavior without breaking alignment and visual hierarchy. Nest buttons, cards, and text blocks inside auto layout frames to maintain consistent spacing when content changes. Combine fixed sizing for icons with fill or hug content for text to control stretching behavior. Use constraints like left, right, center, and scale to determine how components react during resize. Preview responsiveness by resizing frames and adjusting padding, gap, and alignment until the components flow naturally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.